Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm heading out biking soon on a biking safari. So I got myself a bike shirt. So I'm gonna get a bike shirt here. I got just an extra little t-shirt one. I got a few of these different ones in different styles and stuff. So I figured I'd try this one out. This is a US size large. It's by FAKOFIS, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of cool. It's got these little lines on it. I'll try it on. You guys can see how it looks on me. Let me take off my microphone here for a sec, and I'll be right back. And here it is. So now I've got it on. Sorry. So now I've got it on. This one here, it doesn't have any kind of zipper or anything. So a lot of times I'll have the zipper in the front to get air. This one here is more of just a exercise shirt kind of thing. So it's kind of nice. I'll be able to use it for just exercising around town or anything else. But I can also bring it on my bike trip to do my mountain biking and stuff. So what do you think? It seems to fit pretty good. I got a large. I mean, I might have fit into a medium as well, but this one seems good to me. So feel good. I like it. Seems like a good quality. It's a little thicker than most. It's got that little color stuff underneath here, the like a wicking kind of material. You can see I'm a little sweaty, so it's getting a little bit of drips already through. So kind of cool. I like it. It's got a little shiny look to it. So very cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon.